Hey, what's up? I'm Mark Terry Molini, and right now I'm in my Airbnb room that I rent out right now. And I was in here cleaning the other day, and I'm actually cleaning right now. But I noticed when I closed the bathroom door the other day that it is sticking, like the door wouldn't even close. So the guests didn't even tell me this. It used to close fine, but things have shifted, and now basically from here to here, it is sticking. And basically what I need to do, if I look in here, you can see the bottom down there. Like there's a very small space down there, so I can't really adjust the door. I need to basically shave off part of the top to make this fit a little bit better. These doors were put in after the fact. This is an old frame, and these are new doors. So I had a guy come and custom fit the doors in here. But things have shifted a little bit since then, and so as you can see, this isn't working so well. So basically what I'm going to try and do right now is I've got a planer. This is a planer here, and this is just a hand one. You can get power tool ones as well, but I figured doing this by hand would be fine. And basically what you can do is turn this wheel and adjust the depth of this blade right here, run it across the top, and shave off some of the wood. So that's what I'm going to attempt to do right now, and I'll try and show as best I can. So we'll go ahead and get started here. All right, so here's the top of the door, and basically I need to shave off basically kind of from here to here, just kind of this section in here to make room. So basically just put the planer up here like that, and I'm going to run it across a few times. This is going to be kind of hard to do holding the camera at the same time. I have to adjust the wheel a little bit for a little bit more depth, but as you can see, I'm starting to take off some of the door there. So basically I have to do this a few times until I can get this door to shut completely. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and I'll check back in a second to show you the results. All right, so I've got a good amount here taken off, and it's just about closing. It's like almost there. Like I could probably close it right now and it would work, but it's still rubbing just a little bit right there, just barely. And with a little paint on there, that's gonna be enough to hit and stick. So I need to take more off. But the problem is running the planer over this has taken off a lot, but it's starting to kind of like hit the edge of this wood right here and start chipping some stuff off, which is not good. This is, you know, kind of messed up right there. So what I'm gonna do instead is I got this electric sander. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sand that down a whole bunch until it fits in there properly. So I will check back here in a second and show you the results. All right, so I finished up and the sander worked perfectly. Took off plenty, almost too much probably, but it fits no problem now. And the door shuts completely, so back in action. So all I have to do now is throw a coat of primer on there, let it dry, and I'll throw a finished coat of paint and it'll be good to go. So that about wraps it up for this video. If you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.